Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study final year BDS. First, create a realistic study schedule, breaking down your time into manageable blocks. Prioritize subjects based on their weightage and your personal strengths and weaknesses. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and previous year's questions to ensure you have everything ready. This organized approach will be crucial for effective learning. To maximize your learning, use active recall by testing yourself frequently. Incorporate spaced repetition to revisit topics at increasing intervals, reinforcing memory. Practice with previous exam questions and clinical scenarios to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Aim to truly understand the underlying principles, which will help you apply knowledge effectively. Focus your efforts on core subjects like oral surgery and periodontology, as they often carry substantial weight. Dedicate ample time to prosthodontics and conservative dentistry, ensuring you grasp both theoretical and practical aspects. Don't overlook oral pathology and pharmacology. Understanding their essentials is vital for comprehensive preparation. A balanced approach across all subjects is key. Remember, your well-being is paramount. Ensure you get adequate sleep each night and maintain a nutritious diet to keep your energy levels up. Take short, frequent breaks during study sessions to prevent burnout and improve focus. Practice relaxation techniques, like deep breathing, to manage pre-exam anxiety. Staying calm and healthy will significantly boost your performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.